Jeff,
Just gonna pour out some mushrooms I picked today.
what you got?
Just a bunch of chanterelles.
Oh, we like chanterelle. Aren't those poisonous? How can you tell?
Yes, they're highly toxic if you've ever eaten pasta. Luckily, I've never eaten pasta, so I can eat these. Same goes for morels. Now, these are not toxic. The best part is most of the people in Illinois have no idea what these are and think they are toxic, so that leaves more for me to pick.
Look at those gills. Why do they look weird?
They're not a true gill.
Ah. What looks like that's poisonous?
Not much really. There's the jack-o'-lantern mushroom, but it's June right now, and jack-o'-lanterns don't come in until like October. September, October.
Any other way to tell the difference?
Not that I'm aware of. I just know what they look like.
Singly?
Oh, they do grow by themselves, yeah.
And on the ground.
On the ground.
And jack-o'-lanterns grow in clusters and on wood.
Yep. It's one of the best passed up mushrooms in southern Illinois. I can't say all Illinois because people in northern Illinois know what they're talking about.
And these things smell, they have a slight apricot smell with it. And they are such a delicious mushroom.
Try to get some of these leaves and debris off where I put them up. Makes cleaning them easier at home.
And that fuss is because Elijah's ready to go home. He's hot.
I planned ahead and filled my little cooler up with water and ice.
Oh, nice.